Hi. Today I'm working at a trade show here in Saratoga Springs, New York, and this is just wonderful. I've got my Soul pond set up with 100 micron. Let's switch these. 25 micron, 10 micron, and 1 micron diamond resin. And as you can see, I don't have any water out here. I'm going to put just a touch of water out on each one of these, and I think they'll hold the water quite nicely. So I'm going to get on the 100 micron here and work this plate, and then we'll try to get the scratches. Let's go this way, make the scratches real consistent in this direction. Okay, so now we have very consistent scratches along the edge, parallel to the edge. So I'll go vertical to the edge this time on the 25. And you can see the vertical scratches. And now I'll go down to 10 microns. We'll go along the edge this time. And so we've taken out the scratches. Now we're getting to a nice polish. You can see one or two still from the coarse grit there. So I probably need to go back a step, but now I'll switch to the 1 micron, and I'll just go at a 45 here. So that we can see how that works itself out. Okay, and now you can see it's turned to a polish. We still have 2 or 3 of those coarse scratches, but it looks really good.